In the success of Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg, one name is common, that's Neem Karoli Baba. Today I'm going to show you his ashram. So if you're using an Apple product or if you're on Facebook, look at the ashram, pay your respects to it, and then I'm going to tell you how a lot of people who go to his ashram and even otherwise start seeing miracles happen in their life. There's a mantra that is going to be responsible in this. His last mantra that he said is going to be your first step towards all the new that you're looking for. So here, first have a look at his ashram. So now that you've seen his ashram, everyone who goes to this ashram is always experiencing some or the other miracles. This is why in the beginning of the video I said that Apple product if you're using or if you're on Facebook, Neem Karoli Baba had a huge role to play in it. Mark Zuckerberg, where he himself was stuck with Facebook, not moving further ahead, Steve Jobs was the one who told him you must go over there because it's really helped him out with Apple, getting the idea of Apple, and that's exactly what happened with Mark Zuckerberg too. Facebook just took off. We all know that. So now these are just two examples because we all know these names, but there are millions of other people who've had miracle experiences, who've had amazing, beautiful experiencing Neem Karoli Baba, either going to his ashram or directly through him. So today I'm going to tell you what happens usually when you are in an ashram of such a presence, even when he is not there today, because he was always operating, he was always vibrating on this mantra. He was always vibrating on this mantra which was clearing a lot of problems for everyone. This is the same mantra. This is the same mantra that he himself used when he was in the last stage of his life and his soul refused to leave the body. You know, he was in the hospital, he was diabetic, he was in a diabetic coma. So when he had all the oxygen mask and there was a lot of injections and a lot of tests being done on him and they were still trying to keep him alive, what he did was took his mask out and he said, okay, get me some Ganga Jal. So now there was no Ganga Jal available in the hospital. So he said that tap water itself is Ganga Jal. Give me some of that. So it's the same thing that I've said in my video, that Ganga is not just a river that is flowing. Everywhere where there is water, that water is Ganga. So now when he had a sip of that water, he chanted that mantra. That mantra is Om Jai Jagdish Hare. I will pin this up for everyone. Om Jai Jagdish Hare is a mantra for Vishnu Bhagwan. Om, we all know, is vibrating on this universe, the sound that this universe is vibrating on. Jagdish Hare, Jag means this entire vast cosmos, not just this one universe that we are in, but this entire cosmos, the God of that which is Vishnu Bhagwan. Om Jai Jagdish Hare. Hare is the quality of Vishnu Bhagwan who can take you out from an illusion that you are stuck in right now. So let's say if it was Steve Jobs, for the example, if you're stuck with, okay, what should I do with my life, with my career, then boom, he went to that ashram was vibrating on that mantra. Since Neem Karoli Baba was still alive at that time, so that presence was so much over there that his problem got sorted out even if he was not chanting that mantra. The same thing happened with Mark Zuckerberg and millions of other people. So even now, when Neem Karoli Baba has left his body and he's already gone to the spirit world, that vibration of that mantra is still there. But now what happens is millions of people are going there with so many other vibrations and their confusions and their doubts and their fears. So is it still vibrating on that energy that Babaji left for everyone? I'm not too sure about that. This is why I want all of you. So whenever you are stuck, chant this mantra, Om Jai Jagdish Hare. So now every house in India, when you do an Aarti, I've made a video on Aarti, feel free to watch it, or depending on when I post this video, how you need to do an Aarti. Every house in India sings that prayer, sings that Aarti, sings that mantra to remove problems from their life. But now you need to know Om Jai Jagdish Hare. So let's say right now if you have a problem in health, in finances, in love, in any area of your life, or even if you need spiritual knowledge, if you're stuck in a particular illusion, Om Jai Jagdish Hare is what you need to start chanting. How many times should you chant? You can chant it 108 times, but as long as you know why you're chanting, if you know why you're chanting, once, twice, thrice is good enough. Neem Karoli Baba himself just chanted that for a couple of times. He chanted it and his soul left the body. The doctors were amazed, the nurses were amazed, everyone was amazed. How did this just happen? So you want your illusion, which is a problem, which is an illusion, to be gone. Om Jai Jagdish Hare. So write down Om Jai Jagdish Hare in the comments. Think about the problem that you are stuck in and look at the ashram again. You can't shoot inside. I can't take my phone inside. But that vibration is what I'm handing to all of you now. Whether you can come to the ashram or you can't, vibrate on that mantra. Om Jai Jagdish Hare. So for me, I'm saying it for everyone's emotional problem, health problem, relationship problem, financial problem. I say myself for everyone, Om Jai Jagdish Hare. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.